Hi, I'm Tammy. So I've had several subscribers ask me to do a Long Island iced tea, or a version of a Long Island iced tea. So I'm going to do the ever so controversial Texas tea. So there's so many different variations that people think that they know. I'm going to do what the bartender guides says is the correct version, okay? Now, there's going to be so much controversy about this that people say, oh, tequila makes it Texas. No, bourbon makes it Texas. Well, a Long Island iced tea has tequila. What makes it a Texas tea is bourbon. So that's the way I'm going to do it. So this is how we're going to get it done. And feel free to leave as many comments as you like that I'm wrong or that you agree or whatever you want to think about it. But I'm going to go by the standard version of a Texas tea. All right, so get it started. It's all clear liquors except for bourbon. So we're going to start with tequila. This is what's going to make it controversial. People say Texas tea has tequila. Long Island doesn't. They both do. ½ ounce of Blanco tequila. ½ ounce of Blanco clear rum. ½ ounce of vodka. ½ ounce of gin. ½ ounce of Triplesec. Here's where it changes, guys. This is what's going to make it Texas tea. ½ ounce of bourbon. A full ounce of sweet and sour. And then we're going to top it off with, oh, there's a little wind chime action. How pretty. And then we're going to top this off with Coca Cola. And I'm using Mexican Coca Cola, so, you know, a little over the border of Texas there. We're going to splash that off to give it that tea color. We're going to give it a nice spin. Got your lemon wedge. You put your lemon wedge in, just like a regular tea, and the straw. And that is a Texas tea. So I'm going to do a taste test, and I'm going to tell you, I don't typically drink these, guys. I make these for Jeff, but these are a little too boozy for me. I'm kind of a lightweight, so here goes nothing. All right. It's actually pretty darn good. I don't know why I don't drink these other than I'd be laying on the floor, but they're super tasty. You should try this out. I don't drink them because I'm a real lightweight, but they are very delicious. Give them a try. Thanks for watching. Again, leave a comment if you disagree with me. I will put the bartender's guide recipe down for you if you disagree with me, but this is a true Texas tea. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and cheers.